Wait. Okay, Corinne. Are you going to put your hand down there, or how are you going to do it?
Ew, he pooped.
Well, he's probably scared. He thinks we're going to kill him.
Christian, get in.
Why does he have to get in?
Oh, so that he can make sure it's still in one spot.
We'll do that, and you just see if you can get him.
Christian.
Just put your finger down and see if he'll go.
It's not the way a bird works. Not the plug's open. This is the way I live.
See that?
Christian, come here. See, it's moving.
Here. Okay, go ahead, Corinne. Get it. You want to get in?
You grab him, and and we'll put him in the hole, okay? Hopefully he doesn't bite you.
Don't drop it in the water.
Okay. You'll most likely be safe. Okay, Bert. No. Okay. Ah. Where are you gonna put it? Where
I don't know. Where should we put it?
Its wings are all wet, Dad.
I don't know if that's why it can't fly, but let's try putting it in this tree, maybe. Or should we put it in the tree over here?
It's trying to scare it away.
Well, it's asking for help.
Yeah, it is.
You want to get a close-up of it?
We caught a bird in a tree. Right in the pool. The picture looks better on the camera than in real life. It's alive.
There we go.
What if it falls down again?
Did it go off any?